Now, Syria claims Israel has carried out a deadly bombing raid on its territory, destroying a military research center near Damascus. It denies claims the attack targeted weapons convoy near the Lebanese border. If confirmed, it would be the first time in decades that Israel has launched an attack on another state, not in response to military action. Israel and most international powers are keeping silent on the incident, which has sparked condemnation from Russia. RT's Paula Sleer has more.
If indeed this Israeli military strike inside Syria is confirmed, Moscow has condemned it in the strongest possible terms, saying that it was unprovoked and it was a strike against a sovereign state that is in violation of international law and is unacceptable. Now, what we understand is that Israeli warplanes bombed, and this is according to Syrian sources, a military research center outside Damascus, where at least 2 site workers were killed. Now, there are some reports also suggesting that the warplanes bombed a convoy of weapons that were making their way from Syria to Lebanon, allegedly to arm Hezbollah. Now, the Syrians have denied this. Now, we are hearing from an unnamed American official that prior to this incident, Tel Aviv had in fact informed Washington that it was planning a military attack inside Syria. There is the opinion that this attack could consolidate military forces inside Syria against a common Arab enemy, namely Israel, and that it will merely bring them closer together and divert them away from fighting each other and instead turn their forces against Israel. Israel, for its side, has declined to comment on the whole incident.